Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best in outdoor and emergency food options. Today, we're diving into a fan favorite, the Mountain House Chilli Mac with beef. If you're on the lookout for the best Chilli Mac MRE, you've come to the right place. So, what exactly is it about Mountain House Chilli Mac that has earned it such high praise? For starters, it's a freeze-dried meal designed for adventurers and emergency preparedness enthusiasts alike. Each numbered 10 can is packed with authentic chili flavor, featuring real beef, macaroni, and a blend of spices that deliver a comforting kick. The meal is crafted to be not only delicious but also incredibly convenient. Preparation is straightforward. Just add hot water, and in less than 10 minutes, you have a hearty meal ready to go. This ease of preparation makes it perfect for camping trips, backpacking, or simply having on hand for emergencies. With a shelf life of 30 years, you can store it away without worry, knowing it's ready whenever you need it. The freeze-drying process effectively locks in the nutrients and flavors, ensuring you enjoy the same taste and quality years down the line. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Each serving is not just about taste. It also provides a good amount of protein and calories, essential for fueling your outdoor adventures. The ingredients are simple and straightforward, containing no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. It's a meal you can trust, made with the quality you expect from Mountain House, a brand that has been in the business since 1969. One of the great aspects of the Chilli Mac with beef is its versatility. While it's perfect for a camping meal, it's also a great option for home emergencies or simply enjoying a quick, satisfying dinner. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone preparing for the unexpected, this meal is designed to provide comfort and satisfaction. In conclusion, the Mountain House Chilli Mac with beef stands out as the best Chilli Mac MRE for its incredible taste, convenience, and long shelf life. If you're looking for a meal that's easy to prepare, packed with flavor, and made with quality ingredients, this is definitely worth adding to your pantry. Make sure to check it out, and see for yourself why so many people rave about it. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the best products for your adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!